Operation Caminada is a multi-agency project to tackle organised crime in the borough of Oldham. It involves ourselves, Oldham Council, and a whole range of regulatory bodies that are going to target people who we suspect are involved in organised crime and disrupt them and make it as difficult for them to operate as possible.
The council is going to be working in partnership with the police so that where the council has powers to disrupt the activity of organised criminals, then we will use our powers alongside the powers of the police and various other agencies such as the taxman and the VAT-man.
Organised crime is an issue throughout the country, and in Oldham we suspect that we've got 9 organised crime groups operating, that they're predominantly dealing drugs. You can't lose sight of the fact this is a minority of the community, but the impact that they have is quite significant. Our most recent neighbourhood survey suggested that 15% of people in Oldham still see drug dealing as an issue. Our objective, both the police and our partners together, is to make Oldham a safe place for people to live and to work and to enjoy their leisure time, and we're going to target those individuals to reduce drug dealing in this town. You've seen this morning that we have employed some traditional tactics, and we've been out and we've arrested 2 people this morning for dealing drugs. But what we're really going to target, where the added value comes with this operation, is we're going to specifically target the businesses and the other means that people use to launder the proceeds of crime, and we're going to do that collectively with our partners. So, for example, if someone's running a takeaway, it may well be that trading standards and environmental health have far more powers available to be able to close that business down. The clear message is this: if you're involved in organised crime in Oldham, there's nowhere to turn. We're going to pursue you, we're going to disrupt your activities and make it as difficult for you to operate as possible.
We've got an absolute commitment to working alongside the police and using our powers wherever the police, in an intelligence-led fashion, find a business that they think isn't a legitimate business but is being used to launder the proceeds of organised crime. We will use whatever powers we have alongside the police and other agencies to disrupt that business.
In Oldham this year, we've done over 120 drugs warrants. Operation Rescind recently resulted in over 40 people being charged with drugs trafficking offences. That activity will continue. This is over and above that, to disrupt people in every way possible.